Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Shakira and today I want to teach you all how to make money on Instagram. So billionaire Warren Buffett always said that in order to be wealthy, we need 7 streams of income. Not 1, not 2, but a total of 7 streams. And making money on Instagram should be a part of your money-making ritual to get to 7 streams of income. As you may know, Instagram has been around for almost a decade, and within that decade, lots of people have gone on to make 6 or 7 figures or more just from Instagram. And you can too with these simple tips and tricks that I'm ready to give you. So are you ready? Yes, you are money making queens and kings. So here's the secret for making money on Instagram. Did you know that you can set a sweet base price for your time just for helping people out? Secret number 1 is to trade your time for money. You accomplish this perfectly on Instagram by becoming a viral marketer. In my previous video, I discussed ways to grow your Instagram account, and now I want you to use those tips so that you can grow your Instagram account for an elite shout out page status. So what you're going to do is choose a niche for your account: fashion, health and wellness, music, etc. And people in these fields will literally pay you a fee to highlight them on your highly engaged Instagram account. It's that simple. This money-making secret only works if you have a high engagement profile and a niche down profile, because no one wants to follow a general shout-out page that is all over the place, because the key is don't ever confuse your audience. Having a clear understanding about what your page is about is king. And you will grow from there and make the amount of money that you desire in no time. Your DMs will start to flood, and soon you will have to set up a website where people will go to choose a payment plan for your specialized services. Yes, that's right. People will call on you to help them grow their Instagram accounts just because features on large Instagram accounts are very powerful. Secret number 2 is to become an affiliate partner with 1 or more brands. Brands love it when people from all over the world are promoting their products and services. Some of my favorite affiliate programs are Boohoo, great if you're in the fashion niche; Airbnb, great if you are in the travel niche; and Amazon Associate Program, great if you are in the fashion, tech, education niche, just because Amazon caters to all people. Literally anything that is sold online is also sold on Amazon. All types of products, services, books, technology, all the gadgets, fashion, you name it. An affiliate program allows you to gain more money by promoting products from really popular brands. All you have to do is sign up on the company's website, get approved, and then start marketing and selling their products. And you will be rewarded greatly depending on the high volume that comes in. And then start promoting and sending people your specialized link so that they can shop, and you get commission for everyone who uses your link and buys from your link. Practically all the online businesses have an affiliate program, and a simple search on Google will allow you to discover which online businesses and websites have great affiliate programs. My favorite affiliate program is Amazon because there's no limit on what types of products you can market and sell to your audience. For instance, if you are talking about the best cameras for outdoor photography, you can run a poll on your Instagram story to see who would be interested in buying a camera or who is interested in photography in general, and start selling in the DMs to these select group of people. I just love the power of Instagram because it makes selling so much easier because of the poll and the questions feature on the IG story. It allows you to sell to people who are practically ready to buy from you. All you need is that sweet offer for them. So I know you've seen on Instagram, hey guys, you get 10% off if you use my link to shop. Yes, that's the power of affiliate marketing, because those people are making money off of everyone who clicks on their link and swipe their visas. My favorite thing about selling on Instagram as an affiliate marketer is that you do not need a huge following to get started. You can honestly get started right now after you watch this video. So after you watch this video, I really want you to get started, give it a week, and come back to this video and let me know how you're doing. The best thing about selling on Instagram is that people who buy once will always buy again. That is fact. So you would never be out of business. All you have to do is get started right after this video. But don't leave just yet. So I've mentioned niche before, and I'll say it again as I reveal my third money-making secret. So for this third tip, you must choose a niche. Having a niche is so important because you want to be able to scale your account and your leads as fast as possible. And having a niche will help you do exactly that. So now revealing my third secret. After picking a niche, write a how-to ebook for that niche. People on Instagram love learning new things, and you writing an ebook on Canva.com will help you make money. You will gather all the content for your ebook by compiling all the questions you get concerning your niche and help people solve their problem with your ebook. For example, let's say you are in the fashion niche and people are constantly asking you questions about your fashion style. This situation will perfectly allow you to write an ebook helping people increase their fashion sense and style, because at the end of the day, they want to learn from you. Your self-help ebook will help change people's lives and also put money in your pocket. So it's a win-win situation for all parties. So that's the end of my YouTube video. If you have any questions, hit the subscribe button and also write your questions below in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying into the end. Stay tuned for my next video, which is dropping next Sunday. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Cheers.